more time to our channel, Designs by Riveras. On today's video, we're doing a review of the Magnetic Eyelashes. As you can see, this is what the package brings. It has many beautiful eyelashes, and I am wearing one of the most extravagant one. Do you like? Before you continue to watch this video, make sure to subscribe, like, share this with everyone, and let us know what you think. Anonymous, bye. Start watching it.
Yes.
As you can see, I am using a very light eyelashes on the video that you're looking at right now, and that one I used it for a long time, and I did class, so I was turning, sweating, and they didn't fall off. And best of all, it was very windy that day, so I took an extra pair of eyelashes just in case this one fell off, because it was our first time trying it. And then surprisingly enough, it was still intact. This one that I'm using right now is only for the photo shoot, so I'm not doing nothing physical. It's just for you guys that you're watching me right now and for the interest that I'm doing. And with this eyelash, it's the same thing. I feel that it's very light and it's not heavy. It's not like you have some curtains. That's how I feel when I have big eyelashes. But this being magnetic eyelash is very light, you do not feel it, and the liquid liner is very light and it dries easy and fast. So I strongly recommend this eyelashes. The price that this eyelash costs, we're gonna have the link in the description down below, is very affordable. So I strongly recommend, if you want to try magnetic eyelashes, I would recommend you to start with something like this that's specifically the brand that we're using. To check this look step by step, you can go to our Instagram channel, #Designs by Riveras. So I hope you like this video, and if you do, let us know what you think in the comment down below. We want to hear what is the next makeup or look you want us to do. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, share this with everyone, and follow us also in our Spanish channel, Los Riveras, and in our Instagram, Facebook, and all social